Alright, good morning guys. You guys know the version 10 update for the Tesla just came out. Now guys, I have a Model X that does have hardware too. So Rob has never seen this happen before, right Rob?
I've never seen it.
So I'm gonna show you guys his reaction and I'm gonna experiment with a few things. Car's parked right over there. I'm gonna see if it'll pick us up here. But later on, I'm gonna move it over there and see if it'll come across the parking lot. Really sketchy.
Do it.
This is so sketchy. This is so sketchy. Alright, so have it come to me on this app and I want you guys to watch Rob's reaction. Okay. This is so sketchy.
Is it only straight? Like, if it, you know how it's like straight, it backs out and straight to you? Like, we can't, if it's more complicated than that, does it do it?
I guess we'll find out. Alright, here it is. I'm pressing it right now. And let's watch
it's turning on, I see it. Damn, that's just fast. That's super fast.
So I have to hold on to this right now. And it's coming over. Rob, there's nobody in there.
Whoa,
chill.
whoa.
Chill.
Wait, what happened?
I don't know.
Oh, shit.
I don't know why it's turning. It's turning, it's being weird.
That's scary. Okay.
Okay, speed bumps are okay.
Okay.
It mobbed through it.
It's driving pretty, it's not.
I'm so nervous, dude. There's just too many cars around.
Oh, there's a car.
There's a car. All right, let's see what the car does.
I wonder what people are gonna think. Like, they try to signal, like, you can go.
This lady doesn't know there's a car. All right, it's done.
Oh.
It's done. This is as far as it wants to come. What a lazy driver.
Wait, is it right here?
I guess it stopped right here.
So even if you wanted to,
well, let me see. Okay, I left it where the GPS location is. Let me see if it'll come closer right now. Okay, windshield wipers. Hello, confirmed. No, that's it.
We just wave.
That's it.
Wave that it's to go over there.
So let me see if I move it a little further on the map here, if it'll come. So okay, so the trick is you got to move it across away from your target area.
Oh,
way further.
Okay.
It waits for you to
it
come.
doesn't come exactly, but
yeah,
so
right now.
That's pretty fucking good.
So scary. All right, guys. So you saw it backed up from there to here. I'm gonna move it over there and see what happens. All right, guys. I rolled down the windows. I'm gonna try it one more time on this side, and I'm gonna activate it. I'm gonna move it a little further away than where I usually am, just so I can get it come straight to me. And ready?
You can do this early, right? You don't have to be outside.
I don't know. Like, you want to go inside and give it a try?
Yeah, let's go in somewhere and try it. And like when we walk out, it's there.
Oh, it's so sketchy.
That's so scary though.
I'm supposed to keep an eye on it. That's why.
Yeah, that's really scary.
Okay, the car's over there, windows down. I'm gonna select the summoning really quick, but the UPS driver is here right now. Okay, all right, UPS guy's here. Let's see how it does with the car in front of it. I'm pressing it on right now.
Whoa.
Oh, good, there's a car coming. You ever see a car move itself?
Is that what's happening right there?
Yeah.
Oh, good, this is so sketchy. Hold on. Look, I don't think that person knows there's no one inside.
Yeah, dude, they can't signal. So what? That's one of the things that's a little weird.
This guy's looking. Oh my gosh, there's nobody inside. There's nobody inside.
It's perfect.
Let's go on the other side. Okay, Rob, we're going across the parking lot. It's across a center street and then across another island of parking spots and then another island over there.
There's no way it can do this. If it does this is ridiculous.
We'll give it a try. Ready? I'm gonna find a parking spot, see where it picks.
God,
oh, this is so many cars. I can't do this. Hold on.
It's tighter over here.
It is. There's so many cars here. Oh, and there's dogs. I can't. There's this dog. All right, let's be reasonable and put it here. So at least I can see what the car is doing. All right, so we're gonna park on one separate island across a kind of like a plaza intersection, and then it has to come over there and pick me up. I'm gonna put it in front of that's our other Tesla right over there. So I will put it right over there. Okay, just for safety purposes, Rob, I'm gonna have you walk with the car around it to scream at me to stop.
Oh, like get in the way if like...
No, don't jump in front of the car. I mean like...
So it can detect me and then
no,
stop.
just like scream across the parking lot, tell me to stop.
Oh, okay.
Because I won't have visual from it. Okay, there's a lot of traffic going on right now. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing the summon button. I'm putting my exact map and coordinates down right now and I'm about to go. All right, there's a bunch of cars over there right now. But let's give this a try. Okay, car's backing up, it's turning. It stopped. Where is it going? Is it good? Okay, so it's a summon stop. I'm gonna try to do it again. It hit it? Oh, Rob said it got really, really close. So I'm gonna run across to see what's going on. It's too close to call. Rob's scaring me. Oh, Rob, there's plenty of room.
But still, like I thought he was gonna turn. It scared me a little.
Yeah.
That shit was scary.
Oh my, it is scary. Watching it from here, it's fast.
Fast.
It's faster than an Asian driver. All right, let me try it again. I wonder if I put the summon point all the way over there, if it's gonna do it, since I'm standing right here with it. Okay, let's do that. All right, Oh, hey dude, look, I can actually set the summon pickup over there, but walk with it. So what I'm doing is I set the summon feature all the way on the other side, but I'm walking with the car. So that's good to know. It scared me. Okay, look. Oh my gosh, it didn't stop for the stop sign. Running. Let's see what it does. Tight right turn. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? Is it clear?
Might have to back up.
Let's see if it'll do it by itself.
Damn,
Like people is breaking necks right now. Look, I rolled down the window to be extra. I don't know. It just stalled there for a second.
No cop, no stop.
No cop, no stop. Okay, so now we know that it can pull to a spot if I summon it over there. It ran the stop sign. Oh, and open the door for me.
Nice.
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
Thank you for that.
So it doesn't have that yet, right? It doesn't read lights or stop signs, right?
No, it doesn't. I want to apologize for the shaky camera. This was not a planned day to film this. I got the update and I got really excited about it. But so you guys can see a couple things right now. A few things is you can actually summon the car where you're not standing, because I was across the parking lot with the car and I summoned it right across from here. It doesn't stop for stop signs, so if it went through the intersection, plow, right? But it's supposed to detect cars, so that would have been fine, right? It does have some oddball stops that it stops randomly everywhere. It looked like it was trying to calculate where the truck was and it couldn't figure that out. It stopped for a while, so it would hold up traffic. It's almost like student driver status right now with this car. One thing that's really uncomfortable is it does reverse really fast, a lot faster than I even personally do.
That's why I yelled at you.
Yeah,
because it scared me.
Well, I couldn't see the back and I was just trusting that you were telling me the right thing.
Yeah.
When you put your arm up, I stopped the thing and you saw me run over. So I definitely got scared of it. I will post another video very soon on, dude, Smart 7 fails. There's fails already. I didn't want to tell Rob before we started filming this.
How are people?
But there are fails.
What are they doing? What are the
well, my question is, how does insurance cover this? Because one of the question was, were you driving at the moment? No. Who was driving at the moment? No. And that's a real question. Who was driving? You answer no or nobody.
Nobody was driving.
So, but yeah, that's the Smart 7 feature. I just briefly played with it. I want to actually see, we're gonna test it another day, is if it'll pull into my driveway. Because like, let's say you're at a friend's house, right? And they're having a party and you park the car super far away and you want it to pull up. Will it pull into the driveway?
Yeah, that'd be such...
And through the garage. But anyways, guys, sorry for the shaky video. Kind of brief overview of what's going on with it. We learned a couple things today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. All right, we gotta make it before 8, Rob.
All right.
We're done. We're done.
We're goners.
We've got a little caravan going right now. Behind us, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the road is pretty narrow. Like, it's pretty good. The road does close at 8. I don't know if we're gonna make it back. Woo! You hear his car? Yeah. Damn! Afraid of heights, Rob?
Nah.
Look how high we are.
Never.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that was fast. I was like,
wow. All right, Rob, we made it. This is where the strangers kill us and leave us our bodies. Right here, guys. Ooh, listen to nature. Hear that? What? No, that's nature. What do you think, dude?
This is dope.
Yeah?
I've never been on like such a cool little street.
Low
like,
key, right? Fucking low key as hell.
Hey, I've been to this one before.
Have you?
But it's been a while. It's like my high school.
Yeah. So you guys have never been, right? On the pier?
Nope.
You ready?
Hell yeah.
It's pretty. It's one of my favorite places, especially at nighttime.